reaching over the side. I'm reaching up and I'm touching his neck with my arm, and then my hand is gonna stick to his back. Now, when he lifts me, I'm gonna jump to this side. So he lifts, and I jump. Now, I'm gonna use my arm and my knee at the same time. So I'm keeping this hand super sticky. As I buckle his leg here, this arm is just gonna really pull him down. When I do that, I'm gonna shuffle my legs and post. Then I'm gonna grab his shoulder, bother the neck. When he lets go, I pin the arm. This hand goes underneath the head, the other on the arm, and now I'm in hip to hip.
So that way when you... Yeah.
Nice. I'll demonstrate it once and then I'll break it down. Okay, so we're going to end in this straight arm lock, right? So his arms extended, I'm controlling his wrist, my knees are pinched in, and my feet are pulled in, right? From here, I'm going to pull the hand down as I hip my hips north, up. Make sure that you're not grabbing the arm now. You see I'm grabbing the arm now, I haven't even thrown my leg over their head. So I want to keep him down. As I start to turn, I'm not grabbing his arm until I'm almost all the way into this arm lock position. Okay, so make sure you don't grab it too soon, because you'll telegraph what you're doing and they'll start to defend or pull their arm in. So same partners, start on the mount, do one arm lock, reverse rolls. Ready, go. So we're still going to do this spinning arm lock, because I'm really controlling what I'm doing with my legs, right? Okay, so I'll demonstrate and then I'll talk about it. Okay, so see how I'm just kind of spinning around and jumping for the arm lock, and the finish is exactly the same. I'm still starting in the armpits, my hands on the chest, I'm still wrapping the arm just the same, and now I'm going to put all my weight on his sternum, okay? So that's what's going to help me get my legs around. So as I lean on him, I'm still thinking about chopping this leg, right? So the details are the same, I'm just doing them a little bit faster. Okay, so I'm still using my head, I'm still turning, and then I'm just throwing that leg around. So I'm jumping this leg around, and I'm still leaning, okay? Same partners, one is switch, go. We're on top of the mount, and somebody is trying to just push us off, right? I don't want to go for that arm lock the first time, right? And why? Because he has a lot of strength, he still has a lot of power, and so what I would like to do is wear his arms down a little bit, right? So in an up-and-coming class, we'll learn how to swim, he'll push me up again, see how I'm making him kind of lift me up, I'll swim, you know, and then on the third time, I'm going to go for that arm lock, right? Between both of them, the standard and the side. Doesn't matter which one you guys do, okay? So if he's doing a straight arm lock, I'm going to get here, he's going to put his hands together. Okay, when he puts his hands together, I'm going to do what's called a standard grip break. So it looks like this. Okay, so I'm wrapping with my north hand, then I'm going to grab either my wrist or as close as I can to my wrist on my other free hand, and then this hand's going to go on his wrist. Okay, so I have this figure 4 grip. My south leg, the leg closest to his legs, is going to go inside his elbow. I'm going to kick. As I kick, when he lets go, my elbow's going to go up, and I'm going to start to control the wrist. Okay, remember north hand on top. Now watch, I use my feet, and I pull everything tight again. Let's go out.